So hello friends, in previous lab we have solved the Natas 2 lab by visiting the directory files where we got the user.txt file for the password of the Natas 3. Let's visit Natas 3 lab now. Okay, so username was Natash3 and the password was, I just copied the password for the emergency. Okay, this is the password for the Natash3. Okay, so in previous lab we have tried the going for the extension files. In current scenario we will do the some another extensions. Let's try first control U. Okay, there is nothing here for this. Let's try robot.txt, the basic extension which helps us which directories are allowed and which are not allowed. Okay, robots.txt. Okay, so here we get something disallow for secret. Okay, let's write it up S3CR secret. No, just a minute, something spelling mistake. S3. Okay, here we got. Okay, this is our password for Natash 4. Let's copy and paste it another where for the next lab. Okay, thank you guys. We will solve the Natash 4 lab in next part.